Ka Office of Commissioner for Persons with Disabilities ka Sarkar Jala haringkat ka Chingi Trailang ba State Resource Center on Disability Affairs Shillong ha laitrek no pra arjar puar kala rakhi ka sngi buram jeng ki briew ki ba em ha pedeng jingduna ki dkhot bet bala rakhi ha shitulup ka parthai ha usoso tham auditorium Shillong haringkat ka phang pedeng transformative solution for inclusive development, the role of innovation in fueling an accessible and equitable world. Hakani ki chingilang rakhi ba kermen Shylla kumukongsan ulaong ba ka chingtmu jokani ka program kalong ba yalap pensuthu ya ka chinge ginong shnong ki ba em rangkat ka jingduna de konmet ba kumjo ba kinyo e ki hok chungki. Halor ka phang pedeng jo jing rakhi unia menteri ba dikhmi ka social welfare ulaong ba dongkam ka chingi trilang ban thau ki lat kilti ba ki briew ki ba jingduna de konmet ru kini imlang kumjo kumbalong ki wipan. Ulaong ba dangshan ka Jala kala kentiu ke Chief Minister Pension Scheme ka unemployment allowance ba kumju ka jingira pisah ki bopuli ki badai na ki badana khotmen ulom ka chingsdang ka Meghalaya sign bank app ka jala hi kala ya chikmat ban penyachan na pedeng ki briew ki ba ema pedeng ka jinduna khotmen bat ki weipat ki pra briew hakani ka sngi la pun ko buram ru ki briew bla no snyang ban shakri ki briew ki ban jinduna khotmen bat ki dan khalan ngut ki bla chingmun toy na ki tiar kitar ki bla sama ka sngi kum ki assistive aids la ni devices bat arngut pat ki la yo ya ki UDID card chungki.
Today, Meghalaya, along with the rest of the world, is observing International Day for Persons with Disabilities 2022. The aim of observing this day each year is to increase the awareness and understanding of disability issues and the benefits to be derived from the integration of people with a disability in every aspect of life. This year's International Day of Persons with Disabilities shines light on the role of innovation in fueling an accessible and equitable world. I urge every one of us, let us work together in finding innovative solutions to build an accessible and equitable world for all. Innovation and technology can be powerful tools for inclusion. They can enhance access to information, education, and lifelong learning, and they can open new avenues for persons with disabilities to participate in the workforce and society at large on an equal basis. To make our society accessible and inclusive for persons with disabilities, the state government has taken action on various provisions of the Rights of Persons with Disabilities Act 2016, and one of the most important actions is the implementation of Accessible India campaign, in which 21 identified government buildings under AIC1 and 85 government websites have been made accessible. There are many schemes and programs offered by the Department of Empowerment of Persons with Disabilities under the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, Government of India, which are directly aimed for the upliftment, rehabilitation, and empowerment of persons with disabilities, so as to encourage them to lead a life of independence, hope, and fulfillment. In Meghalaya, several schemes are being implemented for persons with disabilities through the Social Welfare Department and other allied departments. There are the scholarship schemes, uniform grants, unemployment allowance, provision of aids and appliances, conveyance allowance, the Chief Minister Assistance Pensions Scheme to the persons with disabilities, the meritorious scholarship, and several others. Recently, the state government has enhanced the Chief Minister pension schemes from 500 to 750 per month with effect from October 2022. And so far, 14,287 persons with disabilities have been benefiting. The state government has also enhanced the unemployment allowance from 1,000 to 1,500 and has also provided grant in aid to special educators working in special schools.